year, the SEC just removed the primary regulatory risk. The lawsuit lost its teeth. And the entire narrative, meme coins are dead, is the exact kind of consensus that precedes the biggest reversals. But there's a huge caveat here. Meme coins are dead. You know what else is dead? NFTs are dead. And have NFTs come back? No. So as an investor, you must be hyper aware that like sometimes things being called dead, they actually stay dead. They actually stay dead. Hyperliquid needs things to go right to justify the price. Pump Fund just needs things to stop getting worse. At 4x revenue with a 25% annual buyback yield versus a 52x revenue with 1.9% buyback yield, the asymmetry isn't even close. Pump Fund gives you 13x more buyback firepower per dollar of valuation. If meme coins will even half recover, you're looking at a potential 4 to 5x repricing just to match Hyperliquid's multiple. And that's before supply shrinkage compounds. The winner is the one everyone hates. That's Pump Fund. Everyone hates Pump Fund. Everybody hates meme coins. I have proof of that. By the way, the reason I got to this is because I built this platform here to launch meme coins safer on Hyperliquid. Hyper EVM, there hasn't been one token launched yet. By the way, I haven't promoted it, but this is telling. This is telling. Another thing that is telling is this. I made the video of this as well. And literally the least views I've ever seen here, you can see like 2,300, 2,700, 4,000, 5,000 through 2,000. The Hyperliquid meme coin launchpad had like 1 like and 1 dislike. Meme coins are absolutely hated right now. And in the past, I've done things like this where it's like, okay, instead of buying AppLovin, I try to rebuild AppLovin. So what led me down this path is I know there's a huge problem with rugs on Pump Fund. So I built a safer launchpad and I built it on Hyperliquid. You know, I run Hyperliquid's data layer here, moondav.com/docs. You can see Hyperliquid data layer. I'm obviously a huge Hyperliquid fan, but I'm a bigger fan of money. So I just follow, you know, what if Pump Fund shows to be a better valuation than Hype, then it's like I'm gonna put my capital over there and then maybe come back to Hype at some other time. I don't know. It just is what it is. I'm gonna continue to build this out. I'm gonna continue to build out this launchpad. Yes, I'll build it on Hyperliquid. I might introduce it onto Solana as well. But my mistake in the past that I'm correcting here is if you're going to spend 2 weeks building out a platform that's pretty much competing with another platform, and you can get equity in that other platform, it's like a hedge. So this is a hedge for me. I'm going to still keep building the launchpad because I still think that 98.6% rug rate is a problem, and I can attack that. So I'll keep building this, but the revenue is there. The stickiness is there. They've already won this game. I could try to improve it, and maybe we'll win. Maybe we'll win. But if not, I'll still have exposure to one of the best platforms out there. So that's what kind of brought me here is like, if I really just spent a week doing this, like I'm very bullish on meme coins. I know they're absolutely dead right now, but let's talk about this. Hyperliquid isn't anything new, really. I mean, I guess it's a decentralized-ish version of a centralized exchange. Pump Fund has introduced new categories to crypto. Okay, what happened with GOAT? GOAT led to a whole AI agents on crypto. That was revolutionary. Some of these stupid meme coins have been revolutionary. Pump Fund, Fart Coin, like these things have been viral moments, and it's only been 2 years. I can only imagine how many more creative things creators will launch on Pump Fund over the next decade, 2 decades, that will go absolutely insanely viral, just like those couple things I listed among others. And it's like a new paradigm. What I also like about this compared to just like the boring old, like, hey, let's liquidate every single person that comes and trades on our platform and pretend like we are on their side. I would argue that Pump Fun is actually more for the people than like any exchange, any derivative exchange, because everybody goes in there, uses leverage, and loses all of their money. But with Pump Fun, you go in there more like, hey, I'm gonna put $50 down and I can make 50 racks off that. You know, it's like more